In this tutorial, we learned how to create vertigo effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Vertigo effect is the same as the dolly zoom effect, but dolly zoom effect is done in camera and vertigo effect is done in post. The advantage of vertigo effect is that you don't need to have expensive lenses. You can do it with your phone's camera. Okay, let's see how it's done. You need a person and someone needs to work backward or forward to that person with the camera. Make the footage steady. Also make sure the background has some details. It could be a forest or road. Anything except a solid color background. Here we have a footage of a person and the camera is getting closer to her. It doesn't matter if the camera moves forward or backward, but will do. Now we just need to match the size of our subject in both the beginning and the end. One important note here, always take the smallest visible part of your subject as a base. What I mean by that is that here at the end of the clip we can see half of the person and at the beginning we can see the entire body. So here we need the end frame for the base because we can only match half of the body to a full body. Go to the last frame and add some guidelines. Turn on the ruler. If you cannot see it here, then click the plus icon. From here you can drag and drop any buttons. Now place some guidelines so that we can match the model throughout the entire clip. Now go to Effect Controls and add keyframes in position and scale. Go to the first frame and adjust the position and scale so that the model's size and position match with the last frame. This add another keyframes at the beginning. Hide the guidelines, then play. And there we have the vertigo effect.